welcome back to my channel. As you can see for the title, it's Billy the puppet. I almost forgot there. Billy the puppet from Saw. So I wanted to create it, and I hope that you guys are able to enjoy this video. It's my first Halloween makeup tutorial, so don't judge. And this video is also a collaboration with the beautiful Erika. She is from the Beauty and the Vlog. She has a podcast as well, and she also has a Facebook private group. So it's a bunch of us collaborating, a few girls, and I will leave everything in the description box. All of the girls that are joining and teaming up to do this collaboration. The theme was pretty scary, so this is what I came up with, and I hope that you guys are able to enjoy it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the first thing I am going to do is apply some moisturizer, especially that we're going to be using a lot of makeup, and this one is by Clinique. Next step is to apply some primer, and the one that I'm using is by Dr. Brandt, Pores No More. And now with this mask, it's a white paint, and I'm going, or it's actually a cream. I'm gonna apply that all over my face with this makeup sponge. And I was actually not impressed with this cream. I was a little disappointed, but girl, you gotta work with what you have. Was noticing how streaky this cream was. It wasn't blending in good, so I went in with my damn beauty blender and I just tried to blend it in as much as I could. And now with my Laura Mercier powder, I'm gonna go ahead and set that cream with any brush you have. And now with this Jumbo Pencil by NYX, it's just a black eyeliner. You can use anything that you have. And I'm going to apply that, and that will be my base. And now with any flat brush, you want to go back and make sure you blend that in because it does look a little harsh. Be patient guys with this look. It can be a little messy, but I promise at the end, it will start to look good. Now with a black eyeshadow, this one's from MAC, but again, you can use any black eyeshadow, and I'm going on top of that just to intensify a little bit more. And now with this quad, which is by Dior, I'm going to be using that gray shade that I showed you guys, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And again, it's going to look very messy, but that's what it's all about. Again, with the black eyeshadow, I'm going in under my eyes and start creating that shade under my eyes. It's going to look like raccoon eyes, but again, it's going to start looking good towards the end. Then with a blending brush, you want to go back and make sure you blend that out as well so it's not so harsh. And then I went back with the black eyeshadow a little bit more just to create more of a shadow there. And now again with the gray eyeshadow from the Dior Quad, I'm going to start using that shade to contour and define those cheeks. And now using my MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to spray that into my brush and apply more black eyeshadow and intensify and put it all over my lid. Just, it's going to give it more like a wet look. Now with the same black eyeshadow, I'm going to start filling in my eyebrows. This is going to be the tricky part, you guys. The front of your eyebrow, you want to make sure that it's looking very, very defined and very sharp. Usually you want to make sure that the outer part of your eyebrow looks very natural. Well, not this time. You want to make it sharp. Now once again wetting my brush, and this is an angle brush. I'm going to create 2 lines. As you can see, I'm bringing it down, kind of like you're contouring your nose, but you're not going to bring it all the way down, just halfway. And I was just referring back to the picture that I had in front of me. And you're kind of going to connect that line with your eyebrow. And now using my favorite liquid eyeliner, this is by NYX, I'm going to just, do something simple. I'm not going to do nothing like a dramatic wing, but yes, you just want to make sure that you apply that. Now with any black eye pencil, I'm going to apply that in my waterline, and I'm also going to bring it more towards the eye bottom lash as well. And it's going to again look very harsh, which that's exactly what we're looking for. Again, you're working with a lot of black eyeshadow and grays. And now I'm just going to apply my falsies, and these are by Ardell. So now for the fun part, I'm going to apply this cream makeup thing. I got it at the Halloween store, but with a very tiny detailed brush. I'm going to use that as a lip liner, and then I'm going to fill in my lips with that as well. And for this part, you want to make sure, as you can see, that you bring it out a little bit more. This is going to make the illusion of a more of elongated lips. I think that's how the right word to say it. Okay, and for the same cream, with the same cream, I'm going to create 2 lines, as you can see, bring it down. And when I was looking at the picture, for some reason I thought that it was red, but in reality it was black. But it's okay, I will fix that. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the black eyeshadow that what I was using before, and just go on top of it as well, and that's just going to create a little bit of a shadow as well. And now here, using a little bit of the black eyeshadow, I'm going to apply that on right under my bottom lip, and this is just for shadowing. So now here I'm just going to start creating the spirals, just like, you know, Billy the puppet has. As I'm going extremely slow here, as you can see, because I'm trying to get it to look right, but definitely not as easy to do. And now I'm going to apply some mascara, and this one is by L'Oreal in Carbon Black Telescopic, one of my favorites. And I'm going to apply that in my lashes and lower lashes. Okay guys, so this completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. See you in my next video.